How many snowflakes would it take to create a full-scale model of the Chicago Cloud Gate? Stick around for the mind-blowing answer. Alright, picture this. You're standing in Millennium Park, looking up at Chicago's famous Cloud Gate, better known as the Bean. You admire its smooth, reflective surface, and then a completely ridiculous thought pops into your head. What if we rebuilt this thing out of snowflakes? How many would we actually need? Let's break this down, one tiny snowflake at a time. Cloud Gate is a massive structure standing 33 feet tall, 42 feet wide, and 66 feet long, giving it an estimated total volume of 1,160 cubic meters, 41,000 cubic feet. Now let's talk snowflakes. A single snowflake is incredibly small, with an average volume of 0.002 cubic centimeters. That's barely visible to the human eye, but when you pack enough of them together, you can build entire snow forts, snowmen, or maybe even a giant sculpture. Now for the math. If we take the total volume of Cloud Gate, 1.16 billion cubic centimeters, and divide it by the size of a single snowflake, 0.002 cubic centimeters, we get 580 billion snowflakes. That's right, you'd need over 500 billion snowflakes just to create a full-scale snow version of the Bean. For perspective, if you collected 580 billion snowflakes, they'd weigh about 6,400 tons, which is actually heavier than the real Cloud Gate. If each person in the US donated 1,700 snowflakes, we could build the entire sculpture together. And if you tried to catch every snowflake by hand, one at a time, you'd be standing in the cold for centuries. Now, keep in mind, this is just an estimate. Snowflakes aren't perfectly packed, and melting would be a major issue, so you'd probably need even more to keep it from disappearing. So, unless you've got infinite snowfall, the patience of a Jedi, and a team of the world's greatest snow sculptors, this is one winter project that's probably not happening anytime soon. But hey, at least now you have a fun fact to drop the next time you see the Bean covered in snow. Follow for more ridiculous calculations and let me know in the comments. What's the craziest thing you've ever built out of snow?